Hello, I want to walk you all quickly through how you can review specific skills that have been identified as instructional areas of focus for your students. So this was a request I got from a few people on Friday. So the first thing you need to do is go to your NWEA homepage and log in. After you log in, you're going to go to your MAP growth reports. And then you are going to go to Next Generation Reports and select Student Profile. Once you select Student Profile, you want to make sure you go to the Winter 2018-2019. School should be selected for you. Your name should already be selected. Cheryl, I'm going to pick one of your students. The class should be selected. And then we can look at Samuel Brisbane. So you select View Student Profile. All right, so the area that is selected on our school data web sheet for Samuel is measurement and data. So a way or to look at specific skills that we want to work on with Samuel under measurement and data, you'll stay on this sheet. So this is the Next Generation Report. You're going to select measurement and data, and then it gives you a list of skills that Samuel should work on with measurement and data. So Cheryl, this is the list that you were referring to. There's also, you can assign specific MAP skills assessments based on the skills that you're working on. It works the exact same way for reading. So to get to the reading profile, I'll select reading. Actually, I'm going to go back. Nope, just going to select reading. For Samuel, informational text, craft and structure he should work on, and the skills are there as well as the assessment. So you do not have to print out 1,000 pages. All you need to do is scroll and go into the student's Next Generation profile. Please let me know if you have any questions. I will see everybody on Wednesday.